2012 Jayco Eagle for sale in Orient, Iowa 50858. Get ready for your next roadworthy adventure with this 2012 Jayco Eagle. This luxury travel trailer is 28 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests. It has been outfitted with power slide-outs, automatic awnings, and electric jacks. This Jayco is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. This Jayco Eagle Travel trailer is perfect for anyone who enjoys a world-class residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, this Jayco is eager to become your next home away from home. Highlights of its advantages include wooden cabinetry throughout, Corian countertops, 3-burner stove, microwave/convection oven, booth-style eating area, refrigerator/freezer, full sound system complete with television, 2 recliners, fireplace, full-size shower, toilet, central ducted AC, water heater, stabilizer jack, ceiling fan, captain's chairs, electric hookups, and so much more. This 2012 Jayco Eagle Travel trailer has been very well maintained. It has been smoke and pet-free, which speaks to its excellent condition. This Jayco is priced well below its true value, so don't miss out on such an amazing opportunity. Call today for more information on how you can truly cherish every moment of your recreational experiences with this unparalleled Jayco Eagle.